Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming basics while actively diagnosing. Charge the phone above 20% and backup data because you may reboot or reset. Open settings, then sound and vibration, and observe media, call, and notification sliders to see where auto reduction happens. Once done, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily. This isolates whether an app is forcing volume down. Make sure to test media playback in safe mode so you can move to the next corrective steps confidently. You now dig into settings and permissions to find the cause. Check Do Not Disturb, Battery Saver, and Adaptive or Absolute Volume features because these can alter volume automatically. Review recently installed apps that control sound, automation, or accessibility. Grant or revoke permissions selectively. Once identified, clear the offending app cache, force stop, or uninstall it, and then restart playback to confirm. If nothing changes, disable adaptive features and reset sound preferences before proceeding to firmware and deeper. You finish with system-level remedies. Update MIUI to the latest build, clear system cache via recovery, and only if necessary perform a factory reset after backing up your data. These steps often resolve firmware-induced auto volume issues. Test with wired headphones and Bluetooth to determine if the problem is internal speaker related. If the issue persists despite clean software and hardware tests, back up and seek a service center for a hardware check. Tip: keep one troubleshooting note handy, log when the volume drops to identify patterns for technicians.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.